Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Yeah, she probably wants to record the day to show her grandchildren when she's older. She's not getting any younger, by the way. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. It's cold in the crazy water. Not recording now. Go away. Oh, look at all that dirt in the water.
Don't drop that.
I know, I'm so scared to drop it. Look at all that dirt in the water. Can you see all that shit?
Yeah.
Alright, don't copy me. Alright?
Fine.
I'm trying to set you a good example as a bigger brother. Don't copy what I do. Alright, fine then. They're like little specks of dust in the distance.
So now what do we do?
Let's just like record people.
Take a picture.
Alright, let's see how long you can keep that pose for. Alright, you've done it for like 15 seconds probably. You're doing a good job. You've been practicing, haven't you? You cheeky guy. You knew this was going to happen, right? So you started practicing, didn't you? Alright. Look at this guy. He's getting in the way, right, asshole. So how was that? So what are your first impressions of the Tate Modern?
Good.
What do you like about it? Do you like the river? I mean, you haven't been inside yet. I mean, what are you expecting to find? I mean, what do you want to find? We should ask you that. What do you want to find?
Sculptures.
Sculptures. I mean, what kind of sculptures? What interests you?
That you're allowed to touch.
Oh, you're not allowed to touch sculptures, man.
Any sculptures.
Well, you're not allowed to touch them, that's the thing. And they have like guards posted to ensure that you don't touch the post. I mean, what are you hoping to see?
A sculpture of SpongeBob.
This is like an adult exhibition, but there's like a children's play area you can play in, so that'll probably be what you want.
Sculpture of the side.
Yeah, once you get famous.